Today I'm gonna check out these American flag car magnets. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought these from GatMags, despite the fact that I love the name and might think that I'd be reviewing something else. It's actually car magnets. Mags being magnets this time. This is a 2-pack left and right, and as kind of a Patriot military inspired decal accessory, you actually get them facing two directions, because in the military, and I want to say, I know some military guys get upset about this when they see American flags on civilian cars, that the flag does not go backwards, but that is a military thing. It's not necessarily a civilian thing. I think you can put American flag anywhere and show your love of country, but in this case you can actually put them so that the stars are forward. Basically, wherever the flagpole would be, you would always be charging into the fight, and so the flag would be flying with stripes to the back. So that's how you're supposed to put them on. I'm going to try them on the fenders, but you don't have to do this. In fact, because you get a 2-pack here, you could actually just use one, put it on the back of your car, put one on another car, but generally I think they are meant here for the fenders, so I'm going to try them out here. Now, when I was looking for little decals, I didn't think about magnets. I was actually thinking about the little metal or vinyl decals that stick on, but I didn't really want to make them permanent, so I was excited to find these GatMags. Now, what you can see here is that these are like magnetic sheets, and I saw that they use, I think, like a laser cutter to cut these out. They can come in different colors. These are obviously the matte black. You can see they have a vinyl on this side here, and then the magnet, which is kind of this charcoal color, is on this side, but they get a little floppy because all of this negative space is cut out. So if you have something like an army green vehicle or a desert tan vehicle, you put this on and it's going to look even cooler. It's going to be pretty subtle here on a black car. Boom, just like that. But I like subtle, man. How cool is that? Actually, don't even see it at a glance. So it's kind of a nice way to just dress up your car, show a little pride for America, and like I said, you can just take them off. Now, this one is going to be reversed, and so as I mentioned here, for y'all that want to make sure that you are applying these in military style, you would have that flag charging into the wind here like that. So pretty cool, man. I really dig these. I was looking for a little subtle decal for my car, and this is it. And if I don't want it, you know, gets dirty, gets destroyed, something like that, you can just peel it off. So if you want to pick up a set of GatMags, maybe in red or your favorite color, you can pick them up. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.